Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing some decluttering, some organizing, some deep cleaning to these pipes. And so you guys, I know for a fact that under my kitchen sink is a hot mess. That's why I am glad to be sharing this video with you guys. I hope this gives you some inspiration to do any kind of organizing or deep cleaning that you may have to do up under your kitchen sink. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. My infamous Mr. Clean diluted in water. We will be using some Comet, you guys. If you have Ajax, that will be fine, but we'll be using Comet in this video, and also a toothbrush. So let's go ahead and get started with the decluttering process. Alright you guys, this is what under my kitchen sink looks like. It looks icky, gooey, needs to be clean. So you guys, we're going to go ahead and get started cleaning this area out. Alright you guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is cleaning out these pipes. So we're going to go ahead and mix the Comet with a little bit of water. You don't want to put too much water in here because the consistency you want to have is like a gluey consistency. Alright you guys, now that we've applied some of the Comet in the water to our toothbrush, we're just going to simply take those areas that are between your pipes that has a lot of residue buildup. You guys, this right here is going to really save you a whole lot of money in the future. So these are those areas that you do not want to neglect when it comes down to deep cleaning and, you know, having your home clean. So make sure that you want to do this as often as possible. As you can see, it's been quite some time since I've did mine, but hey, you know what? If you go ahead and get started, have you just a deep cleaning routine for your pipes up under your sink and up in all areas of your home, guess what? It's going to save you a whole lot of money in the long run. Alright you guys, now that we've cleaned out our pipes, we're going to go ahead and wipe down the surface area of under our sink. Make sure we clean that area down real good, and then after that we're going to also focus on the walls on the inside of the sink as well. Alright you guys, now that I've wiped the surfaces and cleaned the walls, I went on ahead and applied my liner. I did get this liner from the Dollar Tree. Sorry I didn't show it in this video, but this is just a liner that I get from the Dollar Tree, and it's a really good liner. I like it. It has a nice grip to it. So I went on ahead and put that down just for the sake of time in this video. Now we're going to go ahead and actually stage how we want to organize up under our sink. All right, you guys, this is how this area is going to be staged. I went on ahead and just looked at it, you know, revamped it a little bit, and I said, okay, this is how I want it to look. If you guys notice, these are some of the items that I used in my recent Dollar Tree haul. I think you guys should do this practice first when you're organizing, so you can just kind of get a feel of how you want your items to go, how you want them to be placed. So let's go ahead and place the items that I want to organize into these containers. Fun fact, if you guys lack the actual drawer space in your kitchen and you need a place to actually store like your dish towels, you're more than welcome to store them up under your sink. Just make sure wherever you decide to store them that you use a container where you can actually put a lid on top of it. If you want to store those smaller towels, here's a nice container you can get from the Dollar Tree, and what you're going to do is you're going to simply take those smaller towels and you're going to fold them up so they can make a circular motion. Yes, it'll be like in a small little circle, and so it'll be very, very easy for you to store as many of these towels as you would like. And all you will simply do is just place the towels inside of the container, and there you have it. That's another good way that you can store your towels up under your sink. Alright, you guys, this is the final result up under my kitchen sink. I love the way everything has turned out. Please let me know if I shared any ideas with you guys to help you get organized in your home. And again, as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.